Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons why leasing type beats is going to be much better than selling the exclusive beats. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the reasons why I think exclusive is going to be less profitable in the long term and why leasing is a better option. So the number one reason is leasing is cheaper. So leasing is definitely going to be something that's going to be more affordable, and it's something that an artist can actually go ahead and buy without actually breaking that much of a bank. So that's going to bring more sales, and that's just going to bring more people to listen, or just to bring more people to click on the buy button, and it's just going to give you more of the sales and views. So if you're a kind of new producer, I think it's much better to kind of just go for that leasing route, because it's definitely gonna go ahead and grab more people's attention. When you're saying that your beat's only like $25, that's just gonna be much more cheaper and much more affordable for an artist to actually buy the lease. Number 2 reason is going to be leasing gives the beat a better chance to get a lot of views. And what I mean by that is the leasing, when you lease beats, you're not actually selling the exclusive. So when you're not selling the exclusive, what happening is the artist is going to get more and more time to actually go ahead and purchase the beats. You're going to get more time to actually sell these beats, and in turn it's going to give you a lot more views, like I just said in the first reason. And so this is why I think something this is gonna, over time, is gonna build up. Over time is gonna get more and more sales and more views. Number 3rd reason is you can always sell the exclusive later. So the 3rd reason is going to be that you can actually go ahead and sell the exclusive once they're kind of done. Once the beat has kind of like hit the kind of like a trending spot, and it's no longer trending, it's no longer getting that many views, I think it's a good idea to actually go ahead and put it on the exclusive marketplace, or just go ahead and announce to your subscribers that you're actually putting it out for exclusive. And once you've actually made enough money and the beat has got enough views, I think it's definitely a good idea to actually just go ahead and sell the exclusive to somebody. But this is going to be actually a bit harder than compared to when you compare to a new beat. For example, a new beat is going to be a lot easier to sell as an exclusive. An older beat that has got a lot of views, it's going to be a lot harder to sell to an artist exclusively for a lot expensive. Alright guys, so the number 4 reason is going to be selling exclusive reduces the size of your catalog. So selling exclusive is going to go ahead and take a beat off your catalog, and this is going to go ahead and make your beats much more, I would say much less of a impacting, I would say, because one of the beat has gone out. So there could be a reason why the beat could have gone to a lot more views. For example, you just release a beat. Let's say you release a beat, and 7 days later somebody just buys it, okay, exclusively, and you sell it. But what could have happened if you just go ahead and let that beat sit for a while, and something could have happened, and the algorithm would have kind of like given the chance to that beat, and then sometimes this has actually happened to me, because once I made a beat and it didn't actually get a lot of views at first, but like a month into the process, the month into later, it got almost like 100k views in just like 1 month, because it's like only like 4 or 5 days it got all the views, because somehow the algorithm picked it up and just like gave a lot of people the chance to listen to the beat. So think about when you think about this in this way, you actually think that some of the beats have more potential than you would think, and I think it's a wise idea to just like not sell the exclusive so fast in the early stages of the beat. When you've posted it, you should definitely go ahead and give it a few days to see if this is working. And if it doesn't sell for like 2-3 months, I think it's a better idea to just go ahead and give it to exclusively. All right, so the last and final reason is going to be leasing lets a lot of talented artists to buy the beat and potentially get you a lot more views. So when you lease beats, a lot of artists are going to be making music. A lot of artists are going to be making songs about it, so songs on that beat, and this is going to give you more of an advantage. It's going to give you more of a boost, because a lot of these artist fans are going to be looking for the same beat and saying, okay, this guy made the beat, and they're going to be subscribing to you. They're going to be listening to other of your beats, and then potentially buying some of your other beats, because let's just say some artist makes a song on your beat and then goes viral, right? Or gets a lot of views. A lot of people are going to be searching for that for the instrumental of that beat, and you're going to be there, right there, and this is going to give you a lot more subscribers. So I think potentially it's a much better idea to just go ahead and let if it's a very good beat, I think it's much more of a better idea to just go ahead and let a lot of people use it. All right, so these are going to be 5 reasons why I believe leasing is better than exclusive. If you disagree with any of those things, let me know in the comments, and if you agree to all of them, you can also let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.